Welcome to my YouTube channel Persuasive Speaking 2018. At this time, I will invite you to talking about stop wearing makeup. Wearing makeup can make you feel more beautiful and it can boost your self-confidence. Makeup highlight your natural beauty, conceal flaws, and can turn your look from bland to glam within seconds. But wearing too much makeup can actually be damaging to your skin. If you decide to skip out on makeup for a few days, you will immediately notice a change in your skin. If you allow your skin to breathe without covering it with harmful makeup product that clog your pores, you allow your natural beautiful to shine, and you give your skin the chance to naturally replenish itself. If you want to find out what really happens once you stop wearing makeup, keep reading. And next, the following I will show you photos of beautiful Indonesian artists without using makeup. You looks Chelsea Olivia and Ranti Maria so looks beautiful without using makeup, and I am not using makeup now. I believe you are good enough without the pen girls. Your natural self is enough. You don't need to hide behind makeup. Please, girl, stop wearing your makeup. Let's do this together and start a bare face revolution.